As an accounting management expert, one of the most frequent questions I encounter from small and medium-sized business owners is about the cost of essential software. In the realm of accounting and payroll, Patriot software is a name that often comes up. It's known for its user-friendly interface and focus on small businesses, making it an attractive option for those looking to manage their finances without breaking the bank. So, let's dive into the core question. How much does Patriot accounting cost? It's important to clarify upfront that Patriot software offers two distinct, though integrated, main products: accounting software and payroll software. Each has its own pricing structure and tiers, allowing businesses to choose exactly what they need. You can opt for just one, or combine them for a more comprehensive solution. Patriot Accounting Software, your bookkeeping partner. Patriot's accounting software is designed to help small businesses manage their income, expenses, invoicing, and overall financial health. Comes in two primary plans. Accounting Basic, cost approximately $20 per month. What it offers: this plan covers the fundamental accounting needs for most small businesses. It allows you to track income and expenses, create and send unlimited invoices to customers, record payments received, pay unlimited vendors and track their payments, automatically import bank transactions for easier reconciliation, create and print 1099s and 1090 SIXs for contractors, with an optional e-filing service for an extra fee. Access a free contractor portal for your 1099 workers to view their payment history. Generate basic financial reports. Benefit from free USA-based customer support. Allows unlimited users at no additional cost. Who it's for? This plan is ideal for very small businesses, freelancers, or startups that need a straightforward, affordable way to manage their books, issue invoices, and keep tabs on cash flow without complex features. It's excellent for businesses that primarily deal with income and expenses and have basic reporting needs. Accounting Premium, cost approximately $30 per month. What it offers: building on the basic plan, Accounting Premium adds more sophisticated features for growing businesses or those with slightly more complex accounting processes. You get everything in Accounting Basic plus user-based permissions. This is a key upgrade, allowing you to control what each user, e.g., your accountant, another team member, can see and do within the software. Account Reconciliation, essential for ensuring your bank statements match your books, helping you catch errors and maintain accuracy. Create and send estimates. Convert approved estimates seamlessly into invoices. Recurring invoices. Automate billing for repeat clients or subscriptions, saving significant time. Invoice payment reminders. Automatically send nudges to clients with overdue invoices, improving cash flow. Custom invoice templates. Personalize your invoices with your branding for a more professional look. Manage receipts and documents. Attach receipts and other relevant documents directly to transactions for better record keeping and audit trails. Add subaccounts for a more detailed chart of accounts and granular tracking of income and expenses. Who it's for? This plan suits small businesses that are growing, have multiple team members involved in finances, need more control over user access, or require advanced features like recurring billing, estimates, and robust reconciliation. The added features provide a greater degree of control and automation, making accounting more efficient. Patriot Payroll Software, managing your workforce payments. Patriot is perhaps even more renowned for its payroll services, which simplify the often complex process of paying employees and handling payroll taxes. Like accounting, it offers two main tiers. Basic Payroll, cost approximately $17 per month plus $4 per employee/contractor per month. What it offers: this plan provides the tools to run your payroll efficiently, but you remain responsible for filing and depositing your payroll taxes. Key features include unlimited payroll runs, free 2-day direct deposit for qualified customers. Some banks may have varying speeds. Employee portal for employees to view pay stubs and W-2s. Ability to pay employees and contractors. All pay frequencies: weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc. Free USA-based setup and expert support. Integration with Patriot accounting software if you use both. Who it's for? Ideal for small businesses that are comfortable handling their own federal, state, and local payroll tax filings and deposits, or for those who already use a separate, dedicated service for tax compliance and just need the software to run the actual payroll. It's a very cost-effective option for businesses with few employees. Full-service payroll. Cost. Approximately $37 per month plus $4 per employee/contractor per month. What it offers. This is the most popular and comprehensive payroll option, as Patriot takes over the responsibility of tax compliance for you. It includes everything in basic payroll, plus Patriot files and deposits all federal, state, and local payroll taxes on your behalf. This is a huge time saver and provides peace of mind, as tax laws are complex and frequently change. Year-end payroll tax filings, e.g., W-2s, 1099s, are included at no additional charge. Tax filing reliability guarantee, which means Patriot takes responsibility for any penalties due to their error. Who it's for. This plan is highly recommended for most small businesses with employees, as it significantly reduces the administrative burden and the risk of costly payroll tax errors. If you want to ensure compliance and free up your time from tax paperwork, full-service payroll is the way to go. Optional add-ons and additional costs. Patriot also offers some useful add-ons that can enhance your accounting and payroll experience. Time and attendance. Approximately $6 per month plus $2 per employee per month. This add-on allows you to track employee hours seamlessly, which then integrates directly with your payroll. HR software. Approximately $6 per month plus $2 per employee per month. Provides basic HR tools like an HR dashboard, law alerts, and employee document management. Bookkeeping service. Patriot also offers a bookkeeping service starting at around $100 per month, with an onboarding fee for businesses that need more hands-on help with their accounting. Multi-state payroll filings. For businesses with employees in more than one state, there is an additional fee of approximately $12 per month for each additional state where Patriot files taxes on your behalf for full-service payroll.